Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Face ID on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to lead to Settings and here find a tab which is named Security and Privacy. Here is it. And then here we would need to go to the biometrics. The only one condition to set up the Face ID is to have any type of PIN code on your phone. Now we can continue. Here we need to choose face recognition, enter our current PIN, continue, and click continue. Here you will get short instructions how to set up the Face ID. You would need to put your face on this circle and scan it from every side that you have. After this, the face recognition will be done, and I will be right back. After you have done the scan, you will see these settings for the face recognition, for example, face unlocked, stay unlocked screen until swipe, require open eyes, brighten screen, and a lot of more. Now let's test it how it works. I will turn off my phone, and then when you will try to unlock your phone, make sure that the camera of your phone is pointing your face. So I will take my phone a little bit like this. And you can see I got face doesn't match because some wires are closing my face. So, as you can see, the phone has been successfully unlocked and now we can keep using it without entering the PIN code. This is a really easy way to unlock your phone, but still keep it secure. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.